Denton Tower, Cherokee 6605 Juliet, holding short 18, ready for departure, will be southeastbound.
Number 6605 Juliet, Denton Tower, left turn, runway 18, cleared for takeoff, the wind 150 at 13.
Clear for takeoff 18, and correction, it'll be southwestbound for 05 Juliet.
Right turn's approved.
Right turn approved, 05 Juliet. Okay, fuel pump, landing light, window, mixture rich, it's clear on final. It is clear on the runway, and we have a slight left crosswind for takeoff. Okay, updating heading, and here we go. All right, full power. RPM looks good, engine gauges are good, airspeed's alive, bird to the left, 80 knots, right rudder, lining up with the runway. Okay, starting my left turn. Sorry, my right turn. Foot AGL, fuel pump off, landing light off. All right, looking good.
Cherokee 05 Juliet, before you go, looks like you got traffic 12 o'clock and about 5, maybe 6 miles there, 2,500 feet inbound, it looks like. I'm not talking to him yet.
05 Juliet, we'll be looking, thank you.
There might be a sport cruiser also.
Okay, we'll keep an eye out, 05 Juliet.
See y'all.
Have a great day, 05 Juliet.
Denton Tower, Sports Cruiser Thrust 211, 10 miles southwest, inbound for touch and go.
Thrust 211 Denton Tower, roger, enter right traffic, runway 18, altimeter 2981. You got Cherokee traffic outbound, 2,700 feet, 12 o'clock, 4 miles.
Entering right traffic for runway 18, 2981, and we'll be looking for traffic, Thrust 211.
Alright, they should be about 600 feet below us. Off on my side. There it is.
Kitchen Tower, thrust 211. We have that Cherokee in sight, no factor.
Roger.
The southeast will be entering a downwind for 14 Stephenville. See it.
Cleburne traffic, Archer 962 Golf is 10 miles from the, 10 miles east of the field. We'll be doing a left teardrop for right traffic, runway 15, Cleburne.
Stephenville traffic, Cherokee 05 Juliet, downwind 14, Stephenville. One at your flaps. Waiting for 45 behind me. Firming for speed. Stephenville traffic, Cherokee 05 Juliet, base 14 Stephenville. Second notch of flaps. From. Airspeed. Second final. Slightly high. Pappy. And slightly fast. Okay, get the speed slowed down. Our speed's bumping around a little bit. Or all the way off. Down the runway. Center line, hold it, hold it. Gently on the brakes. We'll go down to the next freeway. And flaps are coming up. I'll make the turn at Alpha. Great, you can pop the door whenever you want. Stephenville, traffic Turkey 05 Juliet, clear of 14 Stephenville.